Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Sunderland University's eVision account. Let's get started. So to log into your Sunderland University's eVision account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for Sunderland University's eVision login. Now after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option which says eVision, the University of Sunderland. Now after searching for that, now what you can do is just simply enter your account's username. After entering your account's username, what you can do is just enter your account's password. Now after entering your account's password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you are facing any trouble logging in, what you can do is just tap on help to login. After tapping on help to login, now what you can do is just select any one of these options. So if you are an application, so if it's an application problem, you can just tap on application, and after tapping on that, now if you are facing any problem while entering your username or your password, that means if your username or password is showing it's incorrect, then what you can do is just easily reset or recover your username or your password, tapping on this option which says forgot your password, or just by tapping on this email address or username. So by tapping on this option, you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Sunderland eVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.